Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. This is Hybrid Plus channel and I want to speak about the double wishbone suspension in this video. As you see the screen, you will see that the movement of the suspension, each movement of the suspension for the double wishbone suspension, it has a different movement, like independent. If the right side if the road for the right side of the steering it's not soft, it's not like a proper road, so damp or anything, it won't affect on the left suspension. So that's why I'm telling that it has a independent movement. According to this, you can see that the movement of the upper control arm and lower control arm, also shock absorber, coil spring, and there is some other components that you cannot see in this one. So I will show you and I'll explain about the function and their duty in the next slide. In here we have two wishbone shaped arms that each wishbone has a two mounting point. One of them is to the chassis and another one is to the steering knuckle. Here we have shock absorber. According to the name also, it's so easy to understand the duty of this shock absorber: absorb or dampen the compression and rebound of the springs and suspension. For the coil spring, storing energy in order to release it. Also absorb shock or maintain force between two surfaces. In here also there is a complex structure that you can see. It's the shock absorber and coil spring is connected to the double wishbone suspension. In here we have ball joint, which is one of the main components for the suspension. It depends on the structure. Some suspension has a two wishbone, three or maybe four. For the ball joint, it allows the steering knuckles to move in different directions. In here, if you see, it's the storing of the grease, so that's why it allows the better movement, the steering knuckle in different direction. Then for the sway bar, it's the metal pipe that's connect the two steering together, and we have sway bar bushings and sway bar links. The definition of it is that they push the tires on the inside of turn down or compress the inside wheels suspension. Then for the bushes, it's cushions made of several materials, among them being rubber and polyurethane. They are mounted on steering joints and vehicle suspension to control movement in the joints. Then in here we have toy rod, inner and outer, connects to both of your front wheels and enables the steering. For the inner one is the small one, and for the outer that's the long one, tie rod. For the anti-roll bar bushings are a kind of rubber or plastic washer or plug fitted between two moving parts, usually metal, smoothing out performance while protecting them from friction and unnecessary wear. At the last slide, you can see the 3D of the double wishbone suspension. You can see upper control arm, lower control arm, anti-roll bar bushes and control arm bushes. These one are the four main components for each suspension except the air suspension. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you want to see more videos about the suspension, about the operation of the engine, sensors, or what is the difference between petrol engine and diesel engine, please subscribe my channel and see more videos. Thanks for your time.